Hello, and welcome to Sweet Data. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data representation. In this video, we'll explore the theory behind data representation and how visualizing data with tables and charts can help us gain valuable insights. So, if you're ready to level up your data game, let's get started. To begin, let's first understand what data representation is and why it matters. Data representation is the process of converting raw data into visual forms, such as tables and charts, to make it more understandable. These visualizations help us see patterns, trends, and relationships within the data that might not be immediately apparent when looking at rows and columns of numbers. Tables are one of the fundamental tools for data representation. They provide a structured way to present data. Tables organize data into rows and columns, making it easy to compare and analyze. They are particularly useful when dealing with structured information, like survey results, financial data, or inventory lists. Now, let's explore different types of charts and their applications in data representation. There are various chart types, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter plots, and many more. Each type has its unique strengths. For example, bar charts are great for comparing values among different categories, while line charts are ideal for showing trends over time. Pie charts help visualize parts of a whole, and scatter plots are used to display the relationship between two variables. To create meaningful data representations, you need to follow some key principles. Keep your visualizations simple and easy to understand. Avoid unnecessary elements that may confuse the audience. Make sure your data representation directly addresses the questions or insights you want to convey. Labeling: always label your charts and tables clearly. Titles, axis labels, and data point labels are essential. Use color to enhance comprehension but avoid overly complex color schemes. Simplicity is key. Provide context and explanations to help your audience interpret the data correctly. The art of data storytelling. Data representation isn't just about creating charts and tables, it's also about telling a story with your data. To engage your audience and make your data representation more impactful, think about the narrative you want to convey. What's the message behind the data? What story are you telling? In conclusion, data representation is a powerful tool for transforming complex data into clear and meaningful visuals. Whether you're a student, a researcher, a business analyst, or just someone curious about data, understanding the principles of data representation can be a game changer. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on data analysis and visualization. If you have any questions or would like to see specific topics covered in future videos, please leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world of data representation is at your fingertips. Go out there and unlock those valuable insights. See you in the next video.